Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Turckheim, you really were wonderful. But it's our last day and we've still got things to do. I want to farewell the storks and we'd like to go to the market day. It's only a 5-minute walk from our B&B. Well, after a bit of housework, off we went. And like all markets, there was something for everyone. Homegrown, fresh produce, homemade, handmade, deliciousness, irresistible yummies, and delightful food. Well, we did check out the menu at one of the restaurants for dinner. So we had our last meal in Turckheim, sitting in the sun and just enjoying the hubble and bubble of the people around us. And then we walked for the last time around the beautiful little streets, admiring the lovely houses. It was just such a pretty place. But we did have to say goodbye. But you know, there were more adventures waiting for us. And, well, there's always the unexpected around the corner. So that was it. Our final breakfast. Our clean up, tidy up, sort out, pack up. And we'd have to miss that beautiful view from the kitchen window. And that was it. To the car. Right, we're all packed. All set. Off we go. What a different view to last week when we arrived. We're off to our third B&B, and we'll miss those vineyards, and we'll miss these rolling hills, but we're going to other ones, and I'm sure they'll be pretty too. Going to finish packing now, just taking our rubbish down to the litter bins. The place is spotless. There's not a piece of paper on the ground, no rubbish anywhere, barely a cigarette butt. Honestly, how do they do it? It's just amazing. So goodbye Turckheim, and off to new adventures. We had quite a long drive ahead of us, and for some reason we just didn't make many stops. But that's all right. We're just really looking forward to our new adventure. I wonder what was in store for us there. Familiar sound, all those racing cars. They're up there in the hills somewhere. No, not there. Oh, they must be up there where you're supposed to be. Yes, they are. The road is closed. We can't get to our B&B. I'm knackered. We've been on the road since 9:30. Yes, we've had a couple of short stops, but it's hot. And I'm tired, and I was really annoyed. Roads are not going to be open till 10 o'clock tonight. If we want to walk there, it's going to take an hour and 23 minutes, and it's steep uphill. Well, I'm not happy. In fact, I'm quite shitty, really. Because if you have paying guests, you don't and if shuts down the town, then you inform them. And you either get a top or you can rate. That's the serial. I've no idea how this is going to end up, except for me. I need to calm down. I'm really shitty, honest. Did you get it? Did you realise how mad I was? Well, you know, if I hadn't been so tired, I might not have, well, no, I think I would have been annoyed. The B&B owner hadn't been informed of this event. When the previous tenants left that morning, found out that this event was on, he couldn't even get to the unit to clean it for us, which meant that we kind of arrived there with the remnants of the previous tenants in the B&B. But never mind, we got over it. We had a lovely dinner and we waited, and by about 8:15, the last of the cars had been en route, so we were able to continue our way and fall into bed really exhausted at the end of a long day. So, and it was such comfort food.
What have you noticed?
Just what we need right now. Your tartiflette, Lee?
Very, very good. You see the cheese?
The B&B owner was very apologetic and surprised us with a bottle of bubbly and a lovely cake and some other bits and pieces to make up for the inconvenience. So, I mean, you can't stay mad after that, can you? What a beautiful apartment. We felt quite at home. So, oh well, all's well that ends well. Yes, well, you could call this a whiteout. We're just in for a bit of a dip in the day, but that's okay. We arrived last night. It was dark. There was a good reason for that. Not one that we knew about, but anyway. So we arrived in the dark, so I couldn't show you around. Right, up there is the car park, which you access through this road. And here is the building in which our apartment is. And this is our access to our apartment. I'll just walk you in and welcome you on a sunny day, which it wasn't when we arrived. Right, lovely entry. Here we go. And the lights pop on. And here's our door. So I'll now just walk inside and show you what the place looks like. Right, spacious lounge, TV, yep, skis if you want them, and an extra couch if you had extra guests. Very comfortable, very nice indeed. They've been to IKEA. Now we've got a little bench here for our shoes and our cases, and above it a coat hanger. And then we've got the dining area, large table. We've just been to the supermarket and got a few bits and pieces. And I don't really have a place like I did in the last one where I could put all our food, so I'm just going to keep it up there, but that's okay. And we always do a fridge, don't we? Well, it's a wee bit smaller, and it's a bit hard to stand things up, but it's fine. It's got everything in it that we need, and it's got this tiny little freezer box, and I have actually put some meat in there for the next few days, just in case we get snowed in. Here's a little oven, a microwave, and here Len is just making us coffee. There aren't any ordinary coffee cups. There are these tiny little eggy cup ones size, and there is this great big soup bowl size. So out of our picnic set, we've just got these tumblers for now, but that'll do. There's a coffee machine, which we won't use, and there's the jug and all the bits and pieces. We've even got a dishwasher, and we carry on, and we have the bathroom with a shower above the bath and an almost brand spanking new washing machine. So that's cool. And here we have the smallest room in the house, and it really is small, but it's okay. Who needs a big bathroom? A big toilet. Lots of cleaning agents. Right. And then moving on, we have our bedroom with our own bedding that we use for when we go away. There you go, there's another IKEA purchase. Well, I'm just kidding. It's all very prettily done, actually. Look at that. So, yeah, that's our place for now. The weather isn't too flash today. It started off good, but we knew it was going to rain. And in fact, we're not really getting a lot of the rain because we're up high and we're just in the clouds. So we managed to get our shopping done before the weather turned really sour. And it's warm enough to sit outside and have our coffee, which is exactly what we're going to do. And I know we can't see the scenery at the moment that we were looking at before, but not a bad view all in all. Oh, ain't this just a pretty picture? Look at that. Oh, just gorgeous.